Hi guys, we are back with another video, and in today's video we'll be showing you how to make zip scrunchie, which is super trendy right now, and you can store your cash, keys, earphones, everything. So without any further ado, let's get started. So for this DIY you will need fabric of your choice, zip, invisible zip and elastic. Today I'll be using this fabric. So the measurements for this would be width would be 4 inches and the length would be 21 inches. And we'll keep the zip around 3 inches and stitch it. Now we'll fold the fabric and locate the midpoint and then stitch the zip. Place the other end of the zip as shown and then stitch it. Now leave 1 inch from both the ends and then stitch the edges. Avoid the zip. Now flip over the fabric and it will look something like this. Now we'll take a 1/4 inch elastic and mark 6 inches and then cut it. Now we'll take both the ends as shown and then stitch it. Now with the help of a safety pin, we'll put the elastic in the band. And then we'll stitch the elastic ends. And now stitch this part as well. So that's how easy this is to make, and we also made one more so that you can see how it looks on plain fabrics. You can store your keys, money, your earphones, everything. It's super trendy, super easy. And if you want to see how to make normal scrunchies, I'll put the link in the description. Let us know in the comments down below if you want to see more such videos. Like, share and subscribe. Bye.